Hi, I'm Kirly-sue, and if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, welcome to Kirly-sue's Kitchen. Today I'm going to tell you about 4 different breakfasts you can have that are totally vegan. They're bursting with flavour, high in fibre, rich in flavour, and quite frankly, I don't know why everybody doesn't just have vegan breakfasts. So the breakfasts that I'm going to share with you today are raisin bread, granola, muesli, and breakfast bowl, and a fruit breakfast bowl. All are quick and easy to make. Some of these you can actually have on the go as well, particularly the raisin bread and the fruit breakfast bowl. You can have those on the go. Well, all of them you can have on the go as well if you want to as well. So let's get on with these recipes. So starting with raisin bread is super easy to make. I usually use wholemeal or spelt flour because it's richer in higher in fiber, so it's much better for you. It's not very high in sugar. You make this without any sugar at all. How it's sweetened, it has the raisins in it, of course. You can use either a banana or applesauce to bind it. Now with applesauce, some of the applesauces when you buy them have sugar in it, so if you just want to make the applesauce yourself, a really easy way to make it is to peel and core an apple yourself and throw it into a blender with a teeny bit of water just to get it going, and that's it. That's the pureed apple, which is basically applesauce anyway. So you can do it that way if you haven't got any applesauce, or if you just want it to be a fresher applesauce. So that's what you can use when you're making the raisin bread. The raisin bread, you can serve it as is, or you can serve it with some vegan butter. And I love it when it's warm and it just melts into the raisin bread. It's yum, 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 yum. One of my faves, and I love to make this particularly on the weekend. Then you have granola. Now, I love this granola recipe because my Auntie Verna, who lives in Jamaica, she taught me how to make this granola recipe, and it's really easy to make, and you can make it in big batches and store it and keep it for a few weeks. So it's as healthy as you want it to be. You don't have to put any sugar in it, but I would put a tiny bit of maybe coconut sugar in it, or you can add raisins to it, so that will sweeten it, and have it with sweetened almond milk, so it doesn't taste too bland. That way it's a nice, rich, healthy breakfast. Then you can also make muesli. Muesli is super easy. You're actually not doing anything apart from putting the ingredients together, but the raw muesli, which you're not cooking at all, I don't think muesli is cooked at all anyway. When you make this, it's very healthy and really good for you. And it was developed by a Swiss guy, I can't remember his name, but he developed it because he was trying to help people to be more healthy. I think it was some patients he had, I can't remember the full story. But in the video, all the links to the recipe videos are in the description box below, and I also put them in the pinned comment below as well. But in the video, I tell you, I can't remember it off the top of my head, but in that video, I tell you a little bit of the history of how muesli was made, how it was invented, and the guy who invented it and why he invented it as well. So go ahead and check that out. But that one's really easy to make. You're just putting ingredients together to make muesli, which is really super healthy. Then we have the fruit breakfast bowl, which is just lots of nice chopped up fruit, and you've got pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and you can add raisins. You're adding all these things to it to give it a lot more nutrients that are good for you, and it makes it higher in fiber as well, and all the different nutrients that help you kickstart your day. This one is good in the summer months. You can have it in the winter as well, but it's also good to have as a snack if you just want a light snack. It's really good and flavoursome as well. So that's our 4 breakfast recipes that are great for any time of the year. So to recap, there were raisin bread, granola, muesli, and the fruit breakfast bowl, all of which are my faves that I love to have. Of the 4, I'd say my most fave is, I would say the raisin bread, and maybe second the granola, or could be either way around. Those 2 are a tie for me. What do you have for breakfast that's vegan and is healthy as well? Comment in the comment section below and let me know. Are there any vegan breakfasts you would like me to make? Please comment in the comment section below and let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video and watching all the way to the end. Please share this video wherever you can on social media. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and just before you go, let me tell you about some things that I do that might be useful for you. Watch my TV series on Amazon Prime. I have a 3-part series on Amazon Prime called Kirly-sue's Global Kitchen, which features some delicious vegan recipes, and it's filmed on location in London and also in Jamaica. Get a copy of my kids cookbook. I have a vegan cookbook for kids and parents which won the Wise Woman Award. It has easy to follow recipes you can make for your children. Now, vegan cooking for children is easier than you think. In my book, you will find simple and easy to follow recipes using ingredients that are easy to find and are probably already in your kitchen cupboard. I have a vegan cookbook on Amazon called Kirly-sue's Sweet Treats. Many people ask, what kind of desserts can vegans have? They seem not to be able to think beyond fruit salad. As lovely as fruit salad is, there are many more options, and vegan desserts can be real culinary delights. In my book, I've put together a selection of recipes for sweet treats that are easy, tasty, and fun to make, including cookies, cakes, and smoothies, as well as desserts that range from fresh and healthy to deliciously decadent. Brand deals and collaborations. I've worked with many brands over the years, and I'm always happy to consider more. I love doing collaborations with different brands and helping them to promote their product, and anything that is suitable for vegans or is a sustainable product, please reach out to me. My email is in the description box below. Bookings for film and TV. I have been working in television since I was 7 years old, and I love doing television. I have appeared on film and TV many times. I am a member of the British Actors Equity Association, and I'm also on Spotlight. If you'd like to see the link to my Spotlight so you get details of my agent, if you want to book me for film or television, click the link in the description below. I do cooking courses, one-off classes, and also a number of classes across a number of weeks, and I do that for many different groups: corporate, schools, colleges, different kinds of groups, religious groups, any kind of group of people who want to learn to cook vegan food. I'm more than happy to do a course for you or a one-off class. If you're interested in booking me, please see the email in the description box below. I'll be more than happy to discuss with you. I have a number of different books on Amazon. I have a range of different recipe journals, and I also have a meal planner on there as well. Links are in the description below. Go and have a look. And finally, follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok, LinkedIn, you name it, I'm there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll see more videos just like this one. Eat good, eat clean, eat blessed. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.